is the PD25, PD50 series are corded true. This is a really good tool, a true RMS digital voltmeter. And it does so many things because it's true RMS voltage. It reads AC and DC voltages. And I actually use it in our safety training because you can use it and show the corona. You can actually measure the potential that's floating in the air around the line worker when they're working safe, what that looks like. And then if they're getting close to that minimum approach distance, or maybe they're short sticking their tool, or maybe they're tool gloving their meter, which you don't do those things. And then we show the voltage on their body. We show the voltage going across their rubber gloves. We show it on their dielectric boots. We show it on their back. Using our tools, what's so cool is they're so accurate. We use our tools for safety tools, safety training. And that's what's been so neat going around the country and using our tools. In fact, we have this brochure, and if you just open this up, there's bullet points of what each tool does. There's a couple of tools here when we come out next month in January with our new version. I'm actually going to add the bullet point to a couple of our tools, safety training tool, because they are. And because of their accuracy. And it's amazing when the line worker, I teach one class called Your Electric Reality. And I actually use in Your Electric Reality, because it's not a theory. People say it's a theory. It's not. This is how it works. So I use our tools to prove your electric reality and how that electricity works that you can't see. Well, the tools see it. And it's a game changer and a mind blower.
So I can only imagine you being able to see the light bulb come on in these guys' faces whenever you're talking about stuff like corona. When you're, from a lineman perspective, when you're out there and engineers or companies mention corona to you, it's something you can't see.
No.
You are told it's there. Nothing's ever been able to prove to you that it's there unless it bites you. Right. So I can only imagine just being able to, like you said, read that, test that, prove to these guys, hey, you're a foot away, but that's still a dangerous spot to be.
Right.
That's why we have minimum approach. That's there for a reason.